And welcome back to another podcast with Mr. Hagan. And on this podcast, we're going to finish up our last determinant of demand, which is change in expectations. We said you could have a change in expectation of future income. You can also have a change in expectation of future prices, which is what we are going to look at on this video. So let's say that my good is gasoline. So we're going to have the quantity of gas. We're going to have the price of gas. There's a current equilibrium price of gas right now today, a current equilibrium of quantity of gas. The amount of gas that's being bought and sold in the market is a Q1. And we get a real world event, and the real world event is let's say that the summer driving season is coming. Let's say it's, maybe March and spring is upon us. And so my real world event would be the summer driving season. The summer driving season, where more people are going to be driving on vacation or taking flights to wherever. So the summer driving season approaches. So it's getting closer. It's about to be here. Sorry about that, but it's not here yet. Okay, so it approaches. It's not here yet, but it's coming very soon. My determinant would be change in expected prices. Okay, why? Well, the price of gasoline did not change right now today. What changed is our expectation for gas prices in the future. If the summer driving season is coming, then gas prices are probably going to go up in the spring and the summer as more people travel. And as a result of that, we expect prices to increase in the future. Now, what does that mean for our behavior? If we think prices are going to go up in the future, well, think about it this way, and you might even want to jot a note down to yourself to help you remember this. Consumers always want lower prices, everything else held equal. Everything else held equal, they always want lower prices. So if they expect prices to be lower in the future, if they expect prices in this case to be higher in the future, if they expect higher prices in the future, then they want to buy the good right now today before the prices go up. Okay, so people would want to buy more gasoline right now today before the prices go up. So that would cause the demand curve to shift to the right. Okay, now this wouldn't be everybody. A lot of people, probably most people, they just go buy gas and that's it. But some people might, oh man, gas prices are going to go up, here soon, and so they start buying more gasoline today. Maybe they buy some storage things and store up gasoline for when the prices are higher or whatever. And to some extent, this might not even be the normal, kind of normal consumers that we think of who are driving the cars. This might actually be the gas stations themselves that are going to buy more gas before the prices go up. So either way, if they think prices are going to go up in the future, they start buying more gas right now today. And that causes the demand curve to shift to the right now today. So again, maybe I own a little gas station, and I know the summer driving season's coming. Gas prices are going to go up. I'm going to have to pay more for the gas that I want to sell to my consumers. So what do? I go buy more gas right now today before those prices go up. The consumers always want lower prices. So everything else held equal. So if I think prices are going to go up in the future, then I buy more of it right now today, and the demand curve shifts to the right. So the demand curve shifts to the right, and that's going to cause right now today, gas prices are going to get bid higher, and that means that the quantity of gas bought and sold in the market is going to increase as well. So we can say increase price, increase quantity. This was a right shift in the demand, so that's an increase in demand. We moved along the supply curve, so this is an increase in quantity supplied. That's an increase in quantity supplied. So this is an interesting conclusion. If this becomes kind of a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you expect prices to go higher in the future, then they will go higher right now today as a result of that expectation. Here's our rule regarding this. Our rule is if we expect prices to increase in the future, then we're going to buy more of the good right now today. Demand's going to shift to the right. Demand's going to shift to the right now today. I want to buy the good before the price goes up. If I expect prices to decrease in the future, if I think gas prices are going to be lower next week, then demand would shift to the left today. I'm going to try to hold off buying gas until that price goes down. Okay, so that's expectation of future prices. So that will do it for the demand side of the market. On some future videos, we'll start to look at the shifting of the supply curve. This has been Mr. Hagan. Thanks for joining me for another podcast, and we'll see you on the next Econ Podcast.